Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the traffic info function in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right, and then scroll down and click on the settings button, and then click on the traffic button. And if your traffic section is enabled, you will be able to see the show traffic info section, and if you click on that, you can see that you can set it to show with colors or with colors and icon, or you can just turn it off if you want to. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.